Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video is about how to fix we can't activate Windows on this device. As we can't connect to your organization's activation server, make sure you are connected to your organization's network and try again in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please like to encourage us and subscribe to our channel. Leave comment and share it with others so they can benefit too.